What's up, people of YouTube? I'm here in Istanbul, looks pretty amazing. I'm gonna be here for 1 day, so let's do some exploring together. First, let's grab a bite. Alright, found some Turkish food. Now, let's try it. And let's go. Yes guys, right, so this preset, it's gonna be like a vintage Polaroid preset, because I was in Thailand, in Phi Islands, and we did a boat tour there, where we took some pictures for this company, and I wanted to give it like kind of like a unique character, not like the typical pictures that people get after they do this kind of boat trips. So I really wanted to create a unique vibe, as if the pictures were kind of old memories from a holiday from like 20 years ago, where they just had like a small camera with them and really developed the pictures. So this is how the picture looked before. It's yeah, kind of boring, although it's a very nice setting and stuff. So let's apply the presets. Bam, that looks, yeah, quite amazing, I would say. So I'll now look with you guys into the preset. So I think maybe one of the main things why this preset has this washed out vibe is the highlights are all the way down and the shadows are all the way up. That's something that kind of extracts the contrast out of the picture, because let's say if you do this, well, to begin with it's a really dark picture, but if you do it like this, the picture has a lot more contrast, which can also be a cool look. But to have kind of this faded out effect, so like this old effect, I put the one all the way down and the other one all the way up. Whites and blacks didn't do much, bumped the contrast a bit to kind of, you know, go against this, because like this it's also nice, but then it's like really washed out, so that's why I put the contrast at 30. Exposure is something that you guys have to see for yourself, depends on the picture, because this was relatively dark picture. So yeah, you can play around with the temperature here, like if you would make it maybe a bit more orangey even. It has also kind of like a retro look, but I like blue in my pictures, so yeah. Alright, the tone curve, like this helps to give a bit more of that faded look, as you can see. And how to get this effect is by dragging this up. As you can see, it's the highlight area. It's like, yeah, it fades out the highlights, so nothing too crazy. Then HSL, as you can see here, I play a lot with like the blues, because I'm really into like these kind of turquoise colors, because I think in general I just like them, and also for this more like vintage vibe, I think they look really cool. So that's mainly by putting the hue of the aqua and the blue to the minus side, and then saturation, luminance doesn't really matter that much. Here also not much going on. I think actually this is the main preset, but something that you guys can do, and I'm gonna leave it at this, is you can add a vignette or some more grain into your picture to get even more of that look. So you can like maybe go crazy with the grain, like 65, and put some vignetting in there to give it an even more older look. But I kind of liked it this way, and you can adjust it for yourself how you want it on your picture. So remember that you can do it there, effects, the grain, and vignette. Also not much going on in the camera calibration. As you can see, again a little bit more to this side of the blue hue, and that's it. So make sure to subscribe for more free presets in the next week. I hope you enjoyed this one, hope you get some cool shots, and don't forget to always adjust your preset for your own picture. See you in the next one.